everybody. Today I'm going to teach you addition in Abacus, and earlier also I have taught you addition, but now I am teaching you the addition by using the formulas. So let's see how we have to use the formula. You can see on the screen, these are the two formulas. Now you see your basic formula is add 4. So sometimes when you are doing the addition, you are not able to add without the use of formula. You have to take the help of formula for the addition. And sometimes you can do the additions directly. Like in my earlier videos, I have shown you the additions which you can do directly. But now onwards, in all my videos, I will tell you the formulas which you have to use for addition. Now you look here, if you have to do add 4 in some of the question and directly you are not able to do add 4, then you will use the formula add 4. You have to learn this formula. Add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1. You have to learn this formula, and this is the formula of complements. Right now I am teaching you the formulas which you will use in complements. Now you look at this 4. When you will put a 0 with 4, 4 will become 40, and here is equals to, now add 5. So if you will put a 0 with 5, 5 will become 50 and minus 1 is written here. So if you will put a 0 with 1, so 1 will become 10. So like these two formulas you have to learn. Now you have to speak add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1 and add 40 is equals to add 50 minus 10. So I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to share the screen. Now you can look at these questions on the screen. In all these questions, you will have to use the add 4 formula. Without the use of formula, you cannot solve these questions. So I am showing you some of the questions, how you can do these questions. And after that, you can practice. This is your practice sheet also. And when I will tell you on Abacus how you have to do this, so after the learning from me, you can use these formulas and then you can solve these sums. So let's start with these sums. So now you can see this Abacus. Here I have done 2. This is 2. Now you look at this Abacus. If I ask you to do add 4, so what you can see here, 4 beads are not left here. So you have to take the help of the formula. Without the use of formula, you look here, 4 beads are not left. Only 2 beads are left. So you have to use the formula add 4. So thus now I have shown you what is the formula to add 4. Add 5 minus 1. So here you will use the formula. See, this is add 5 minus 1. So you know 2 plus 4 is 6. And then you can see on my Abacus that here also I have used the add 4 formula and my answer is 6. Now look at some another question. Now you look at the Abacus. Now this is 4. Now again I have to do add 4 here. But you see here 4 beads are not left. So how will I do here add 4? I will use the same Now my formula is add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1. So I will do here add 5 minus 1 in place of 4. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8, and you can see on my abacus my answer is also 8. So like this you have to solve the questions. Now I am taking some more questions. Now I am giving you the question. This is 34. You can see on my abacus this is 34. And if I ask you to add 44, you have to add 44 here. Now you see here on the ones road to add 4, you know add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1. So here you will use add 5 minus 1. And on the tens rod, you have to do add 40. To add 40, you will use the formula add 50 minus 10. So now you can see your answer is 78. Like this, you have to use the abacus formulas. Now you look at this question. I'm going to solve this question on my abacus. My question is 24. So this is 24. Now you have to do add 44 here. To add 4, because you can see here bits are not left, you will use the formula add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1. So this is add 5 minus 1, and here you have to do add 40 on the tens road. To add 40, you will use the formula add 50 minus 10. Now minus 12. So minus 2 and minus 10. Now again you have to do here add 42. To add 2 on the one slot, and now you have to do add 40. Now you look here, this time 40 beads are here, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this time you can do add 40 directly. So here you will do here add 40 directly. See, somewhere you will have to use the formulas, and somewhere you can add 4 and 40 directly. So you have to check in the questions where you have to use the formulas and where you can do the additions directly. Now, this is my second question which I am going to do with you. Now, 87. See, 7 and this is 80. So now this is 87. Now minus 65. So this is minus 5 and minus 50 minus 60. Now add 44. You can see here 4 beads are not left. So you will use the formula to add 4. The formula is add 5 minus 1. And here you can see to add 40, you have to use the formula add 50 minus 10. Now add 23. So add 3 and add 20. So your answer for this question is 89. Now I'm going to do this question with you. 72. This is 2 and 70. Now you have to do here add 14. You have to add 4. To add 4, use the formula add 5 minus 1 and add 10 here directly. Now minus 65. So minus 5 and minus 60. Now add 44. Now to add 4 here, you can see only 3 beads are left. So you have to use the formula. To add 4, you will use the formula add 5 minus 1. And now here to add 40, you will use the formula add 50 minus 10. Like this, I have shown you some of the questions by using the add 4 formulas, that how you can do the questions, and also I have given you the practice sheet in the starting of the video, so you can practice the rest of the questions by using the formula for add 4, because in these sums you cannot do add 4 directly. So, and you must see my all the videos. If you want to do this question, you should see my earlier videos also. Thanks for watching my video.